Hello friends, welcome to Vardhan Consulting Engineers Internship Project Orientation. The project topic is Financial Risk Assessment Infrastructure Projects. This orientation video is going to be a very short video of 5 slides only. So it's my request to please watch this video till the end. In this video we are going to explain you what is the interns work, what is all about this project, how the interns is going to benefit, and what the interns is going to learn in this project, in this internship. So before we start, we need to give a project introduction. This financial risk assessment is a very specific topic, right? Very simple looking topic. Okay? But our topic is only related to infrastructure projects. Okay? Because wherever there is a financial investment, wherever there is an investment, there is a financial risks assessment. The investment can be in stock market, the investment can be in a softwares, any kind of investment. But here we are only talking about the infrastructure projects. And what are infrastructure projects? So let's take a look on that, because that is very important. And if you are doing that project finance internship also with us, which is related to infrastructure, so understanding the infrastructure projects is very important. The first is public-private partnership, PPP based projects. Okay, any public utilities, anything that the government want to build, any kind of highway or something, that comes in infrastructure project, the public-private partnership. Renewable energy, solar photovoltaic power plant, wind power plants and all, that is also infrastructure projects. Wireless and telecom, so many telecom towers and telecom infrastructure that the companies are building, that is also infrastructure project. Public facilities like bus station, airports, all these things are infrastructure. Transportation like metro, railway line infrastructure. Water, wastewater treatment plants, these are also infrastructure. Sports venues, mining, pipelines, waste disposals, anything that you can see and anything which is large, that comes in infrastructure projects. Okay, so the assessment and analysis of the risk involved in the investment in infrastructure sector projects, especially which is under non-recourse debt financing, it's called financial risk assessment of infrastructure projects. And these infrastructure projects are large. In next 5 years, it's expected that $100 billion plus is going to invested in infrastructure in India. So definitely, when so much of investment is there, so the companies need people like you, especially the finance graduates or the finance enthusiasts, I can say, because there are few interns in our organization who are doing mathematics, statistics, and is still interested in finance. But basically, this internship is more about who are very much in finance, MBA finance or um, MBA finance, BBA finance, MCOM also, yes. So definitely this is very important and crucial internship for all of you guys, very important crucial project for all of you guys. Okay. What is the interns work in this project? The first module is the infrastructure project investment. You need to do the basic search, conceptualize, gather more and more information from internet, and try to understand what are the infrastructure project, what kind of investment is going on, and blah blah. Okay. So what is the basics related to infrastructure? What kind of who is investing, how, where? Okay. So anything what you get, any data details, okay, you need to gather in this the first task, first work. Second is the listing of risk. So first of all, you need to understand what is risk management. What are the things that is called risk? Why it is called risk? Like it's a general thing, not about infrastructure or something. So that listing of risk is very important. The third task is third task or third work is very important. That is analysis and assessment of risk. When you understand what are the risks, when you understand what are the list, make the list of the risk, then you need to focus on the analysis of the risk. Prepare a risk matrix. That what are the risks, what is the probability of occurrence of that risk, what is the impact on the project because of that risk, and how you can mitigate that risk. That matrix is very important. Preparation of matrix or downloading the matrix from somebody else, people used to do it, but most important thing is to understanding the matrix, because when you understand the risk, you can explain it to the board, and but then the board will reward you. Yes, these are the percentages that he already kept in mind. The fourth is summarize and report. You need to make a very nice corporate standard report for this corporate standard reports, and analyze all the risk and all. Okay, so that summarize and reporting is also there. Interns learning, yes, there are four basic learning out of this internship. First is subject matter learning. Definitely you will get a lot of knowledge of the subject matter financial risk assessment after this internship. Okay, the second thing is awareness of the current situation. Current situation means here is like right now what are the risks is there. If somebody want to invest in uh, infrastructure in India, okay, what are the risk matrix, how they are mitigating it. So these are the learning you will get. Analytical thinking for solutions, that when you take a project from the list of the projects, and when we do that project, and then you need to think for the solutions, we need to think for the risks for that project, make a risk matrix. So definitely you will get to learn a lot of analytical thinking on that. The fourth is data analysis, documentation and reporting. Yes, you need to make a very nice report. So while making a report, you will learn how to make report and do the data analysis to make that report. So that is also a part of learning. Modules and tasks, there are four modules. Okay, and these modules are connected with one task. We give 10 days to finish that task and submit it to us. The motto of each module to understand, analyze the real situation, problem, activities related to the project, and hence more practical learning sources needed to be followed rather than theoretical. Okay, so try to follow more practical learning sources. Not don't follow any books or something which is very old. Try to follow more and more articles and something from internet, Google, like, but try to follow reliable links. Okay. Interns benefit. The first benefit is the knowledge enhancement. Of course, once you finish this internship, the first benefit you will get the your knowledge will be enhanced related to finance. Your knowledge will be enhanced related to the risk management, enhanced related to the infrastructure projects, and then combined infrastructure financial risk management of infrastructure projects. So knowledge is definitely going to enhance. Second thing is in skill enhancement, because when you prepare risk matrix, your skills to do a risk assessment and analysis is enhanced. So you can tell in HR and interviews that you have done a risk assessment for infrastructure projects, and then that skill enhancement is going to use in different projects and different companies. Third thing is corporate industrial process. So when we interact with mentor, interact with HR, and finish the corporate skill development program and pre-placement training program, definitely your corporate uh, culture, corporate process flow, you understand more and more corporate process flow. That is also a motto of this internship. So these are the benefits that you're gonna get in this internship, which is for free. And if you want to properly document this internship, get a proper certification, you need to take the admin benefit, and that is a small admin fee related to that. What are the admin benefits? Is it the e-verified certification on flexible dates, letter of recommendation, yes, from the mentor, certificate verification, that if you send this certificate to any recruiter or any colleges, they send us a verification email that we need to verify that the certificate is genuinely issued by VCE. So we do that, and sometimes we need to send a feedback to the college, sign, scan, stamp, and give numbers to the interns and send it back to the college. So our team will take care of that. A special recommendation for foreign universities, that when you apply for foreign universities, they send us a link to again give you a separate recommendation. We will definitely do that. And consent to use mentor's name as reference from industry, yes, That is also we are providing. We encourage you on LinkedIn the way we can, liking your post related to VC internship and giving you LinkedIn recommendation. If you want, we can also send you the original transcripts of the certificates courier to your home. So these are the admin benefit that we are providing. If you want this, you can take it. If you don't want this, there's no need to pay anything. Okay, and so there are so many things to learn in financial risk assessment. This internship is very important for MBA finance and other uh, courses students like MCOM, mathematics, statistics, economics, who are interested in finance. Okay, so this is all about this internship, this project. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.